Good day everyone. Today it's going to be a beautiful, lovely, tasty biryani, and this is specially almost close to the Nagarjun style biryani. I've had this in Bangalore and I want to try and make this. So ingredients are very simple for this biryani. It's a kilo of lamb. Okay, lamb should be with bone. Okay, bone and good meat, a little bit of fat. But remember, you need to add coriander leaves, mint leaves. You need to add your yogurt and then ginger garlic paste and some whole garlic. Okay, then you have to add your chopped green chilies, a little bit of red chilies, but they have to be all, the fresh chilies, and also your five spices. The five spices consists of cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, crushed pepper. Remember, it should be cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, crushed pepper. Okay, and then I missed one. I'll tell you this later. All right. So you put all this together and you mix it. Add your salt. Add a spoon of ghee, a big large spoon of ghee. Mix them all together and keep it overnight. Okay. So the fifth ingredient of this five spice is star anise. So put them all together, mix them well and keep it in the fridge overnight. I will show you what to do later. Alright. As I said, don't forget this beautiful heap spoon of lovely, tasty, pure ghee. Okay, it should be a large tablespoon. All right, large. Mix them all well together. Okay, well together, and keep it in the fridge overnight. All right, you need to mix it. I will do it later, but I know I don't want to do it in a very shabby way, but better do it the proper method. All right. A very simple method to monitor your ingredients are be as gentle as possible. In the sense, salt should be to taste, the heat of the chilies. Make sure you put just enough for your 1 kilo of lamb. The powders of the five spice, you just need to put just enough to give you that taste. And also the coriander leaves, mint leaves, make sure there's just enough. So you don't have to be a rocket scientist to do this, or you don't need to ask me for the ingredients. You need to develop this attitude to find out and make it easy for you to cook. Okay, so mix all this together and then later you get a cling wrap and close this. Alright, and then put it in the fridge for overnight. Okay, so now you add the next day when your marinated lamb is taken out of the fridge. Remember, it's time to cook. You add 1 cup of basmati rice for the 1 kilo of lamb. Okay, just don't do anything else and cook. Add if it's 1 cup of basmati rice, you add 2 cups of water, and that's it. Your lamb Nagarjun style biryani will be ready shortly. You can wait for it to boil and let it be on high flame. Close the lid. Once it boils and then you turn to simmer, you will see the biryani will get ready in 15-20 minutes. So this whole process is going to take half an hour. There you go, the lamb Nagarjun style spicy Andhra biryani is ready, hot, piping hot, and served. Enjoy this lovely biryani dish, which is delicious and tasty.